I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites because missing versions block progress. Install Python 3.10 or later and create a virtualenv. This isolates dependencies. Next, use pip to install core packages. Make sure pip is up to date. Once done, clone the Walksy optimizer repository from the provided URL and place the license file in the project root. You will also need your access key. Keep it handy but secure, since the next steps will require it immediately. Now you configure and build. Open config. YAML and set API key, select the optimizer model and adjust compute targets for CPU or GPU. Save changes, then install dependencies with pip install R requirements. txt inside your venv. After dependencies finish, run the build command Python setup, pybuild or the provided build script so compiled extensions link correctly. While building, watch logs for missing libraries. If CUDA or MKL are absent, switch to CPU mode or install those libraries before retrying. Finish by validating functionality with the test suite, run PyTest tests or the project's test command. Once tests pass, start Walksy in test mode using the config file, observe outputs, and verify optimization results. If behavior is unexpected, check the log file first, then environment variables and dependency versions. One key troubleshooting tip: if the optimizer fails to start, ensure the access key is valid and not expired. Refresh credentials and restart, because invalid keys are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.